this is Hirul from Scrappy Happy Crafts, and today I'm very excited to share my first design theme package from Craftreat. Yes, I am on Craftreat design team for 6 months, and I am really excited to show you guys my unboxing video for this kit. It's pretty heavy. It's kind of lots and lots of stuff in it. I have picked in it. I'm so sorry, but I could not resist myself, and yes, there is a lot of stuff in it. So let me show you what's in it, and I'll link everything down in the description box below. Hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to my video and channel. So yeah, let me open and show you guys what's in it. So here is what I have received in the kit, and just look guys, it's so amazing to see all of these goodies, and a lot of these goodies actually. So I have received stencils, chiplets, wax cards, deco pad sheets, and paper pad. Oh my god. So let me start with chiplets and I show you everything one by one. I am very excited to show this. I'll just fast forward some stuff so that the video is not too long, but you will see everything in detail. These are amazing chiplets and very good quality. And let me share next wax cards. So these are like different color wax cotton cord, and it's white, purple, mint kind of color, red, brown, black. So like different colors, and I'm very excited to use all of these in my projects now. Next is our stencils, my most favorite product from Craftreat, and it's kind of treat your eyes with Craftreat stencils. So yeah, check out the closure look with all the stencils. You are going to love it. Amazing. So these are the stencils from Craftreat, and let's go next on Deco Pad Sheets. So here are 4 different Deco Pad sheets, and each sheet contains 4 different sheets in it. So let's have a closer look. are the Deco Pad Sheets, and now coming to the paper pads. I received 2 paper pads, and I'm really grateful to Priya for sending such wonderful goodies. So let's have a closer look at both of the paper pads. First one is Live Today. Both are 12 by 12 and 24 sheets, 12 design in each papers. So let me show you what's inside. Next is Pretty Roses. These are shabby chic papers, and I love shabby chic and pastel colors. So this would be my favorite one for both of the papers. And let's have closer look for Pretty Roses as well. These are the amazing goodies I have received from Craftreat by Priya Shivraj, and don't forget to check out Craftreat website for amazing products and variety of products. Especially I love their stencils. I'm repeating again, check out their stencils. They have, I guess, more than 650 types of stencils on their website, listed on website. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to create with such stencils, chiplets, cards, and Deco Pad sheets, papers, everything. Hope I can come up with the project soon and share with you guys on my social media. Keep an eye out for other design team members' projects as well. You will be inspired a lot. So yeah, once again, happy crafting. Have a nice day and enjoy your crafting time. We'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye for now.